a great choice today with the 2020 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.